Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth with a pressure cooker. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, like beef marrow or knuckle bones, for the best results. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. A crucial step is adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out all those beneficial minerals from the bones during cooking. Now let's get cooking. For a deeper flavor, roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes before adding them to the pressure cooker. Place the roasted bones, your chopped vegetables, and enough water to cover everything into the pot. Seal the lid, set your pressure cooker to high, and cook for 90 to 120 minutes. This high-pressure environment is key for extracting maximum nutrients. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: once your delicious bone broth is ready, you'll need a great way to store it. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your broth fresh. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once cooking is complete, allow the pressure cooker to naturally release its pressure. This is important for safety and flavor. Carefully open the lid and strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all the solids. Let the broth cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.